What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Volt to Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's hop on to the topic. So how to withdraw money from the savings vault to your Revolut account. So you can withdraw your funds from saving vault anytime you like, completely free of charge. To do this, you need to go to the Accounts button on your homepage and scroll to the Savings section. Choose your savings vault and tap the Withdrawal button. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and the funds will be transferred to your selected account. So they aim to transfer your funds to your Revolut account almost instantly, so you can use them straight away. However, withdrawals can take up to 1 business day to reach your account, and always check the savings terms for more info. So quite an easy feature. You just go to your Revolut account, find the accounts option, and then basically, as you can see, go and find your savings section. Choose the savings vault you wish to send money from, tap the withdrawal button and enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and the funds will be transferred. It can take up to 1 day, so be patient and check your account randomly. So overall, that's it for today's video, guys. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That's it, guys. See you in our next video. Goodbye.